these colors are the male. The male have black and white colors, and then the female also have the brown or grey color. And then for the zebra, you know, in Ghana we don't have zebra, so with this we brought them from South Africa. We export it from South Africa. There were 15 when we brought them. Unfortunately, because of the weather, some died, and they left only 7. So from last 3 years coming, we'll be lucky. 4 of them have given 4 kids. Oh. So now we have 4 Ghanaians and then 7 foreigners. Yeah. So you can see this young one was born just yesterday.
Which one?
This kid.
The small one?
Yeah. Just yesterday.
And it's big like that?
Yeah.
Zebra and the ostrich, right? So subscribe, we'll give you more content like this. Right, so this according to him, he said that we brought some zebras from South Africa because Ghanaians, we don't have zebra, and they came, some died and some has also given birth, and that is what is happening now. And even this one was just born yesterday, but you could see that he's already grown before he was born. So we could see the ostrich too. Alright viewers, you already know, so we came to the ostrich. There's 1 ostrich here, it's supposed to 2. There's one has already passed away, so it's left with 1. But the government is trying to bring more ostrich so that they could fill up the space. And the zebras too, they've given birth, so we have more about the zebras. And there's more animals. So from here we're going to the other side where we can see the reptiles, the snakes, and the pythons. If you want to handle the snake, you can put it on your neck, your hand, or any part of your body. So follow me as me and Leslie and my crew. Let's go. What's the name of this?
Royal or ball python.
Royal or ball python.
Yeah, this one doesn't have venom. Doesn't bite.
It doesn't bite.
Also, they like swimming.
They like swimming?
Yeah, that's why we put this blue with WUTAH.
So, MASALAATY, you want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try.
Alright, so MASALAATY want to try it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the python. It is called the ball, or so it's friendly. It doesn't bite. It's very friendly. Most of the people that use it for movie video, music clips and all that, it doesn't bite. Just come and try it at SHAI Hills. As you can see, if I can do it, you can do it too. Right here, see, and it's real. This is real. It's live. You know, it's live. I'm not scared. What he has here? Chris, Jeffrey, Lamar, Luther, Mia, I dare you all guys to come and try this. You see, the snake is climbing my hand and I'm enjoying it. Come and try this in Accra, Ghana. You feel me? Look, you can see the snake is chilling in my hand. You feel me? That's it. That's it. That's it.